Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Motion Studio. What if I told you there's a way to get 4 of the most powerful AI models on the planet, Gemini, GPT-4o, Claude, and Grok, to all analyze a Polymarket bet at the same time and then give you a single consensus prediction? That's exactly what I built. In the last few months, prediction markets like Polymarket have absolutely exploded. Billions of dollars are being wagered on everything from elections to crypto prices to whether it'll rain in Tokyo next Tuesday. And here's the thing most people don't realize. AI is really good at this. So I built Polymarket Copilot, a desktop app that uses multi-LLM consensus to help you make smarter bets. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why prediction markets matter, and how AI is changing the game. Stick around, this is going to be good. All right, for those who don't know, Polymarket is the largest decentralized prediction market in the world. It runs on the Polygon blockchain, and it lets you buy and sell shares on the outcome of real-world events. Think of it like a stock market, but instead of buying shares in companies, you're buying shares in outcomes. Will Bitcoin hit 150K by July? Will the Fed cut rates in June? Will the next Marvel movie gross over $1 billion? Each share trades between 0 cents and $1. If you buy yes at 60 cents and the event happens, you get $1 back. That's a 40-cent profit. If it doesn't happen, you lose your 60 cents. Now here's why this matters. Prediction markets are consistently more accurate than polls, pundits, and even expert panels. There's decades of academic research backing this up. When real money is on the line, people don't just share opinions, they put their money where their mouth is, and the crowd, in aggregate, tends to be shockingly accurate. During the 2024 US election, Polymarket famously called the result more accurately than almost every major poll. That got the world's attention. Since then, trading volume has gone parabolic. We're talking billions per month. But here's the problem. How do you, as an individual, figure out which markets are mispriced? How do you find the edge? That's where AI comes in. The reason AI is perfect for prediction markets is simple. Prediction markets are fundamentally about information synthesis. The question isn't, what's your gut feeling? The question is, if you could read every news article, every tweet, every piece of data about this event in the last 24 hours, what would your prediction be? No human can do that, but AI can. Modern large language models, GPT-4o, Gemini, Claude, Grok, they can process enormous amounts of context, understand nuance, detect sentiment patterns, and weigh conflicting evidence. They're not perfect, but they're really, really good at exactly the kind of analysis you need for prediction markets. There's been fascinating research showing that LLMs can outperform human crowds on certain types of forecasting tasks, especially when they have access to real-time information. And when you combine multiple models, a technique called ensemble prediction or consensus forecasting, the accuracy goes up even further. That's the core idea behind what I built. Don't rely on one AI. Get 4 of them to independently analyze the same market, then synthesize their predictions into a single verdict. Think of it like a panel of expert analysts, each with different training, different biases, different strengths, and you're the one who gets to hear all of them before making your decision. All right, let me show you how this actually works. This is Polymarket Copilot. The interface is dead simple. You paste a Polymarket link right here, hit predict, and the magic happens. So what's happening under the hood? First, the app takes that Polymarket link and sends it to Gemini 3.1 Pro with Google Search grounding enabled. That means Gemini doesn't just use its training data, it's actively searching the web for the latest news and sentiment about this specific event. It comes back with 4 things: the topic of the event, a fear and greed index score from 0 to 100, a public sentiment summary, and a news summary. You can see the fear and greed gauge right here. It's modeled after the classic crypto fear and greed index, but specific to this market. Then it gets interesting. The app fires off requests to up to 4 different AI models simultaneously. 1. Gemini 3.1 Pro, Google's latest flagship model. 2. GPT-4o, OpenAI's multi-model powerhouse. 3. Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Anthropic's reasoning model. 4. Grok 2, xAI's model. And this is the secret weapon, because Grok has real-time access to X Twitter data, so it's literally analyzing what people are saying on social media right now. Each model independently analyzes the same data, the topic, the fear and greed score, the sentiment, the news, and writes its own prediction. And then the final step. All 4 predictions get funneled back into Gemini, which acts as the lead analyst. It reads every model's take, identifies where they agree, notes any disagreements, and produces a single final verdict. This is the multi-LLM consensus prediction, and in my testing, it's been remarkably accurate, especially on events where there's a lot of news coverage and social media discussion. Let me break down the key features. Real-time search grounding. Unlike chatbots that only know what they were trained on, Polymarket Copilot uses Google search grounding. It's pulling in today's news, not last year's news. Multi-LLM consensus. 4 models, 4 independent predictions, 1 synthesized verdict. This reduces the bias of any single model. Fear and greed index, a visual gauge that instantly tells you whether public sentiment is fearful or euphoric about a specific event. Extreme fear often means opportunity. Social sentiment analysis. Grok's real-time X Twitter analysis gives you a pulse on what the crowd is actually saying right now. Desktop app. This runs as a native Electron app on Mac and Windows. It's not a website that could go down. It lives on your machine. Buy your own API keys.
You plug in your own API keys for each provider. That means your data stays yours, no middleman.
Now, let's talk results. I've been running this tool on live Polymarket events for weeks, and here's what I found. The consensus prediction tends to be most accurate when the event has high news coverage, more data for the models to work with, the market is newly listed or rapidly changing. That's where human crowds are slowest to adjust. There's a clear informational edge, like a policy announcement or earnings report, that the AI can parse faster than the crowd. Where it's less reliable, truly random events with no information signal, events where insider knowledge matters more than public data, very long-term predictions where the world can change unpredictably. The smart strategy? Use Polymarket Copilot as a screening tool. Run it on markets you're considering and look for cases where the AI consensus prediction diverges significantly from the current market price. That divergence? That's your potential edge. I've made Polymarket Copilot available on Gumroad. You can grab it right now at the link in the description. It comes as a desktop app for both Mac and Windows. You download it, plug in your API keys, you need at least a Gemini key, and optionally, OpenAI, Anthropic, and XAI keys for the full multi-LLM experience. And you're up and running in about 2 minutes. I'll also drop a setup guide and some tips in the description for getting the most out of it. If you're into prediction markets, or you're just fascinated by what happens when you point multiple AIs at the same problem and ask them to predict the future, I think you're going to love this tool. Prediction markets aren't going away. If anything, with the ETF approvals, the regulatory clarity, and the sheer volume growth, we're in the early innings. Having an AI edge isn't optional anymore. It's table stakes. Grab Polymarket Copilot from the link below. Try it out. And if you do, drop a comment telling me what market you analyzed first. I genuinely want to know. If this video was useful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Motion Studio if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.